Today I'm going to start on a project which is a commission job from a customer to build a cabin bed. This cabin bed a little bit unusual to the norm. You couldn't buy it in the shop, which is why she's come to a joiner to actually have it built for her. I've done jobs for them before, so she knows my abilities, so that wasn't in question. Getting across the point of this bed, the design of it and such, that is usually a snagging point. And as we spoke, and she asked me whether or not it'd be possible to do this, I quite simply said, if you can draw it, I can build it. A little ambitious there, but well, I like giving things a go and I don't mind a challenge. To my surprise, she didn't draw it, she came with a full model of the bed. I actually made it out of cardboard boxes and such, and was very simple to understand when I had a look at the picture. When I had a look at the model. And here's a picture of it so you can see yourself just what it is that is going to be built today. Now from that, I then did some basic drawings. Oh, basic, they were probably very detailed for the sort of drawings that I normally do. As you know from my past, I don't like working from drawings. But in this case, I needed things to be a little bit more exact because I'm going to build it in the workshop, take it around there, and it's got to fit the room. Not just fit into the room, it's got to fit the room because it's going to be suspended off the floor and fitting into the wall. So the bed base frame is up off the floor, attached to the walls. We have a wall built onto it, blanking off sort of 2/3 of the bed. On the left hand side we have the TV box which sets in to allow for the window spacing. And on the other side we're having a slide for the boy to get out of. So it's going to be quite interesting build. Anyway, let's start getting some timbers ready and see where we progress from there. Right, I've trimmed down some timbers. Next stage, I want to do this front piece, which is rebaited in the top to allow for this plywood top board to go into it and give us a covering lip so we don't actually see the edge of the plywood. On this point here, I want it to mitre, just to give it a clean corner there. And at this end here, I want it to overlap this one, which will eventually be attached to a wall plate going down. So let's get on with that. Okay, next, as I've got this front piece done, I now need this and this piece. Now I've already cut these pieces down so that the lip on this one has been removed from that, so we will have a level playing field when we've got them all together. This time I want them to butt up to this piece, so I'll be taking that thickness off of that one. And this end here I want to go straight to the wall, so I will not be taking off that piece, that will divide them. Now we take a 12mm ply, which is going to go straight on for the mattress to sit onto. Okay, that all works. Now we can cut the board out. And there we have all the parts ready for the mattress base. This top section here will be where the TV box is going. The rest of it is the size of the mattress, which will be elevated and fastened to the wall. And that's how you get two pieces of ply together. Okay, the idea is that that is going to sit on one wall and the bed will come from that. That way then it cannot go down.